here on the Isle of Skye testing out the new Fujifilm XF 100 to 400mm lens. During the winter months, the sun never gets really high in the sky, so the light's always interesting and constantly changing. You can have the 4 seasons within a day, and it keeps you on your toes and means that the landscape's always evolving. So we're in the Bay of Portree. We're about to go on a boat trip to try and find some wildlife in the bay behind us. Fingers crossed, hoping to find some sea eagles. So there's one over there, and the other one they both went that way, I think. Oh my word! Wow! That's spectacular. I was not expecting that. The autofocus was really good and kept up with the sea eagles, particularly in continuous mode, where tracking sea eagles would have been a test for other lenses. I first got into the Fujifilm X series system because it's portable and lightweight. This lens continues on that theme. It doesn't have macro, but it's got really good minimum focusing distance. So it's definitely not designed for that market, but again, it just shows the versatility of this lens as a whole. So we were looking around to find a scene which really screams Scotland, screams the Highlands, and then we found these Highland cows out in the hills just off the road and thought, yeah, we've got to go and investigate this. It's two extremes. I really like the in-detail close-ups because the sharpness of this lens really shows every hair follicle, which is really nice. But then also placing the cows in the harsh environment, I think, is quite important to do. The OIS was probably the biggest revelation for me with this lens. It really impressed me that I was able to shoot throughout the zoom range from 1/60th to even 1/15th of a second whilst it's handheld. Being able to add the 1.4x teleconverter further extends the usability of this lens. Combining that with the overall quietness of the X series range means that you can obtain intimate photos of timid wildlife. The Isle of Skye has been a joy to explore. The XF 100 to 400 has helped me get closer to Skye's wildlife and landscapes, capturing its diverse beauty.